Hello, you beautiful 99ers. I am Sway to the 99, and I'm super excited because I got to attend the grand opening of the brand new The 99 in Fairfield, California. It was such an amazing experience. Check you guys out. This line was insanely long. People came from all over the place just to snatch up these amazing deals, including the 32-inch TV flat screen for only 99 cents. This line was wrapped around, and I'm not kidding, literally wrapped behind the shopping center. People were excited and eager to come shop, and I'm so honored and thankful to the marketing team from corporate who personally invited me to come. And hey, there is Gigi a little behind the scenes. You guys can see as she's doing her thing for Instagram. And you could feel the excitement as shoppers came in to grab their 32-inch TVs for 99 cents. Amazing. And just the overall vibe, this beautiful brand new store, The 99 here in Fairfield. I was so excited and overcome with emotion and excitement to have been here and witnessed this firsthand. There was tons of celebration, including a mariachi band. So check this out. And they even had some snacks. So if people were a little snackish, they had a little catering outside of the store. So as you came in, you got to sample a few little items from a local store. They end up using a lot of the items that you found at the 99. So just giving people a nice little idea for what they could shop for. Again, just like a quick glance of this beautiful store. Again, I'm so excited. It's so beautiful. Everything was so neatly displayed. And of course, I will be showing you guys some of the brand new items that hit the store, including some of the amazing deals that they had specifically for the grand opening. I love the signage here. I was very excited because they did have the Beats headphones. They were $9.99 for the special. So, of course, I did snatch one up for myself. I had to. And, of course, I am showing you guys some of the brand new Christmas that rolled out that I have not seen in other stores yet. So this was really nice to see. These beautiful lanterns for $7.99. And they did have a lot of these little displays for $3.99. And of course, our flowers, Christmas flowers. Gotta have those. Amazing. And let's see, these are also new. These little gnomes and little reindeer, Bambi. Oh my God, so much to take in, you guys. I'm literally overwhelmed with excitement. And these candy jars are a must-have. I did end up grabbing these for $2.99. I had to. These were just going so quick. Once I spotted them, I knew that these had to come home with me, including these adorable little gnomes with the hanging legs. Again, seeing a lot of new Christmas that I have not seen in other stores yet. So it was nice to see what the store was going to be carrying and what they had gotten in so far. Again, the store is brand new, so ooh, and look at these. These have not actually hit a lot of the stores either, and these are $3.99, and they do light up. And check this one out with the little box. How adorable. That one is $1.99. Tons of new Christmas. And check these out, little campers. Really nice for only $1.99. You know, you would think by now they would have run out of Christmas stuff to roll out, but they keep rolling it out. Again, these gnomes are really cute. I was really tempted to grab that one. And let's see what anything else in this. Let's see. Let's see. Just so excited or overwhelmed with excitement. And look at these little plushies. Very cute. And a lot of this stuff does remind me of what you would see at Target, which is really nice. Pretty cool that we get high-end for cheaper prices. And look at these beautiful little reindeer. Again, these do remind me of what I'm seeing at other big box stores, but for a lot less. And let's continue on. And this little lamps, very cute. Again, taking it all in, there's just a lot happening right now, so I do apologize if I'm kind of rushing through things. And these are definitely new. I had not seen these yet, so I hope they do hit most stores. Ooh, look at Noel. And this right here is new as well. Had not seen this one. Very, very nice. And oh, these gorgeous little cookie tins. I like this. I like this little backdrop. How adorable is that? Oh, these are definitely perfect for little gifts. And I'm so excited this one actually finally hit stores. This is the giant gnome. I knew that corporate had this in their showroom, and I'm finally excited to see that this actually hit stores. And this is $12.99. And one of the things that I was very excited about is seeing the massive amount of toys. There was tons of toys. Perfect time to be stocking up because Christmas is literally a month or so away, and they had tons of toys. Like, look at these Star Wars. Couldn't believe that they had Star Wars here for $5.99, and Finding Dory for $5.99 as well, and the Da Vinci. Tons of board games, tons of games, interactive. Really excited about the quality as well. Just, I think overall there's a wide selection. So really, if you are looking to save, definitely check out the 99. Look at these games for $4.99. Again, lots to take in. So I do apologize if I'm just kind of brushing through some things. Oh, look at this one. I was winning one of my favorites for $17.99. And yeah, lots of toys for little kids as well as boys, girls, and just all ages. So again, if you don't know what to get, just come to the 99. There is endless supplies of toys right now. So oh, and this one was actually one of my favorites too. The little ice cream shop. Very cute. And these were definitely a very high value for $7.99. Take off the sticker, the person would never even know you paid that amount. So that's great. And look at these. This was pretty cool. I thought these were cool and different. And this one also caught my eye. The little unicorn and ice creams. And just little DIYs for the kiddos. And even for older teens as well. So again, lots of range in toys and just different options for all kinds of ages and interest. And if you're an Ugly Dolls fan, they had tons of these as well. They had them in every aisle. So Ugly Doll fans, check out the 99. And of course, if you needed some blankets, there is tons of blankets and throws for this winter season and lots of hats. Time to stock up. I know this was definitely an area that I did see a lot of shoppers in. I know, because we are getting in the colder time, people are just taking advantage. And I love this one. This one was probably one of my favorites. It caught my eye. For $2.99. It just had cool little hearts. But again, good time to be stocking up because you will have the most options before anything gets picked over. And speaking of course, let's not forget our pets. They did have some pretty cool pet beds. I thought this one's pretty cool. This is the foam memory foam, and they did have tons of the Christmas little beds for $7.99. So I thought that was pretty cute. And check out this little puffer vest. Surprisingly, the pet section was pretty cleared out. I think a lot of people really just loved their pets. So a lot of the stuff was actually going pretty quick. So I did capture what I could. And tons of makeup as well. That was definitely one area that I did notice they had a lot of brand new stuff for. And I think we're going to be seeing a lot more hitting stores very soon. Check these out. Little makeup sets for $5.99. You get tons of brushes with the little pouches, smoking mirrors. And one thing I definitely did see was a lot of Ione. So keep your eyes peeled at your store because I'm sure this could be hitting every store very soon. And look at these, the blow style brushes for $2.99. Again, a lot of accessories either for yourself or even as gifts on a budget. Just thinking about Christmas time for all ages and also for all interests. And including, look at these. How cool is that little flat iron? And No Way Con Air come through for $7.99. And look at these ring lights. I know we've seen these before, but hey, it's always like to show you guys everything that I'm seeing at the store. Tons of electronics. So if you need some accessories, they all have you covered. And this is definitely a must-have. This is the iHome. If you have a lot of accessories you need to plug in, definitely something to keep in mind or to just something to have at home or even for a gift. Ooh, it says 99 cents. All right, let's continue on and see what else we can find. Ooh, look at these. These are back. The little playing cards. Pretty cool. Again, even more toys. Just when we thought we were done. I guess not. But yeah, as you can see, there's toys every aisle, so don't miss it. And if you need gift ideas, the 99 does have you covered. They have these pre-made gifts you can simply purchase, take off the sticker, and just gift them. Like, look at these cool slippers by Sharper Image for $4.99. Again, a lot of this is definitely higher value, meaning, if you take the sticker off, they won't know that you pay that much because you probably would expect to pay a lot more. So, good idea to gift on a budget. And they had tons of workout gear as well, rather accessories. So, check them out. So, New Year's is coming right around the corner, so a good time to be stocking up on stuff like this because workout accessories, as we all know, tend to be pretty pricey. So, yeah, I was definitely very excited to see a lot of this stuff here at the 99 and some new home decor. Like this cute little elephant by Better Homes and Gardens. I thought that was cute with a little tea light holder. And these caught my eye. Little rats or mice or mouse. I'm not sure. They were 99 cents. I just thought they were very unique and different to the store. And tons of candles, you guys. If you're candle fans, the 99 had a whole section full of these. I was amazed by the quality and selection of these items. Definitely a good place to start if you are looking for just refreshing your home. Like, look at the quality of this. I mean, I know this is kind of fall-ish, but just look at how beautiful these are. And they just look very upscale. And more accessories for the home. Look at these chicken containers as well as beautiful mugs. I love the pattern on these, and they had tons of colors. So no excuse if you need to refresh your kitchen. And let's see what else we can find. Nap Queen. That's funny. And let's continue on and see what else we can find. And again, more blankets. These are the CBD infused oil blankets. And they brought back the weighted blankets as well. This is the cool version, meaning you can sleep and stay cool at night. Pretty awesome. And they had Tide for $4.99. This is the eco-friendly, so this is the refillable version rather than having to buy the full plastic. And not much to see in the food section for me personally, only because I was traveling, so I couldn't really take much home. But of course, I did still want to show you guys what you could find in their deli section. Brand new, freshly stocked, new fridges. So yeah, so just give you a quick glance of what is here. Again, look how everything is nicely displayed. But overall, I was really just taking it all in, not looking for anything in specific or anything in particular. And they did have the vegan burgers, which always makes me happy to see, and tons of fresh fruit or frozen fruits for your smoothies. And excited to try the vegetizers. Actually, I bought it back, but I have not tried it. But I will let you guys know my review on Instagram at Sway to the 99. And I think that is the end of the food section. And yeah, and of course, I did want to show you guys the fresh flowers. That was one thing that really just made me so happy to see all of this beautiful greenery and fresh flowers at the 99. So again, a huge thank you to the marketing corporate team for personally inviting me to attend and be part of this experience. I was truly blessed and blown away. It felt like a reunion. So many workers that I know from all over the Bay and even from all over Southern California were here, as well as so many people from the corporate team that I got to meet and reintroduce myself to as well. And so many people actually knew who I was, which I always thought it was really funny, but also humbling to be around such amazing, energetic people. And so many shoppers, so many of you recognized me, knew who I was. So thank you again, and shout out to every single one of you. I obviously did not get a lot of people's names, but thank you everyone who came up to me and recognized me or knew who I was. I really appreciate it. And again, thank you to the 99 corporate team for inviting me. This was an amazing experience that I will never forget. And I'm just so blessed and humbled by all of you who watch me every single week. Just know that I never take any any of you for granted, and I appreciate all of the support and love. So thank you so much for watching, my friends. Have a great day. Have a great evening. And I will be back later this week, or rather tomorrow, so with another video. So see you soon.